Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love streaming and hate clunky menus, today's video is for you. Amazon just announced a huge Fire TV interface overhaul for 2026, and I'm breaking down everything you need to know: the look, the speed boosts, and which devices get it first. Let's dive. So this is the first major Fire TV redesign since 2020. It brings back some classic bits from the 2016 layout, but with a modern twist. Think rounded icons, new fonts, gradients, and a material design vibe. Feels familiar, but refreshed. Visually, you'll notice rounded app icons and thumbnails across the board. Not perfect circles like Google TV, but definitely softer, cleaner edges. There are new fonts and subtle gradients that give the whole interface a sleeker, more modern look. It's like Fire TV got a designer makeover. One of the biggest changes: the navigation menu moves back to the top of the screen. Hello again, classic Fire TV. That menu now includes dedicated tabs for movies and TV shows. Plus the last 3 tabs are sports, news, and live. If you loved the old top nav, you're getting it back. Amazon shuffled the app row too. It's now below the first row of recommended content. Your top 10 pinned apps are visible at once. Used to be just 6, and you can scroll to see 10 more. Faster access to what you actually use. Small but useful detail. Depending on where the cursor starts, it takes fewer clicks to reach your first app. If the cursor starts on the Learn More button in a header ad, it's 2 clicks to your first app, 1 fewer than today. If it starts on the home icon, it's 3 clicks and you'll pass through a big ad expansion. Tiny UX things like that add up. Category pages, movies, TV, sports, news, live, mostly look like they do now. Rows of recommendations and banner ads. There used to be sub-tabs like Free to Me and genre filters. Those didn't show up in the leaked images, so it's unclear if they'll stay. Fingers crossed they do. A few current tabs, games, free, and my stuff. Your watchlist DVR purchases won't be in the top nav anymore. They still exist, but you'll access them through a new menu icon in the upper left. That same menu will apparently hold art, photos, the ambient experience, the App Store, and settings. Amazon also says they reworked the shortcut panel, the one you get by holding the home button. It'll give quicker access to audio and display settings, Ring cameras, and smart home controls. Super handy for smart home fans. And under the hood, Amazon claims the code has been optimized. The redesigned interface should be 20 to 30% faster in some cases. That could be a big win for older Fire TV models, assuming they get the update. It's likely the second-gen Fire TV Stick 4K will get it too, and other models will follow later this spring. So yay, cleaner design, revived favorites from 2016, better app visibility, quicker shortcuts, and promised speed boosts. If you've got one of the devices on the early list, expect to see this in February. I'll keep poking around and bringing you hands-on impressions as people start seeing it. But for now, what do you think? Love the rounded icons? Miss the old layout? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the full hands-on when the update arrives. Thanks for watching. See you next time.